So here we have two different amounts of money. Okay, or we've got a variety of coins and notes. So this person says, I have £15. Tortoise says, no you don't, I have £15. If you actually look at and check both sides to see if they do have £15, if you cross off 10, add 5, that's £15. We've got £5 there. 2 add 2 add 1 equals 5. 2 add 2 add 1 equals 5. 5 add 5 equals 10. 10 add 5 equals 15. What this is trying to say is that when you are counting or using pounds or pence or both, you can use or you can make the same amount but in different ways. So for example, you could swap that £5 there for a £5 note, or you could change that £1 there for two 50p's because 50 add 50 equals £1. When you add up pounds and pence, you can make it lots of different ways, but with only the coins and notes that are available. So for example, you wouldn't be able to say, oh, add 3p, because that doesn't exist. It would be a 2 and a 1.